Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best kitchen scales on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is KitchenAid Glass 11-pound Digital Top Kitchen Scale. We love how easy it is to use this scale, thanks to the knob on top that lets you toggle between wet and dry measurements. It also weighs ingredients up to 11 pounds, so go ahead and have that baking marathon you've always wanted. Dry ingredients, 11 lb into 0.1 ounces and 5,000 grams into 1 gram. Liquid ingredients, 5,000 ml into 1 ml and 176 fluid ounces into 0.1 fluid ounces. Rotating knob design inspired by KitchenAid countertop electric ovens. Twist to set the units of measurement and push to tare or power on or off. Weigh all ingredients into one container by using the tare feature to zero out weights in between additions. Also works to zero the weight of any container before adding food. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, included. Scale can be powered off or will auto shut off after 3 minutes of no change in weight on the platform. Hand wash only, do not immerse in water or put in dishwasher. For best results, wipe with a damp cloth and dry thoroughly. Number 2. Second best pick is Nutra Track Food Scale with Nutrition Portions Facts. This digital scale comes with a cheat sheet of portion control facts to help you count macros. Our food scale is the best rated with the most features. We have the USDA database in our back pocket, and so will you. See everything that is in your foods, macronutritional values, with running totals of all your values for the day or week. Consistently Amazon's choice for food scale with nutritional calculator, we are the best all around. Nothing can stop us or keep us down. Place your food on the scale, see and save all of your nutritional values. Read more below. Number 3. Third best pick is KitchenAid Dual Platform Scale. KitchenAid always hits the nail on the head when it comes to easy-to-use appliances. Their dual platform scale comes with 2 different sized platforms for measuring ingredients no matter the size or quantity. Max capacity, Platform 1, 11 pounds into 0.1 ounce and 5,000 G into 1 G. Platform 2, 16 ounces into 0.001 Oz and 500 G into 0.01 G. Unique feature, 2-line backlit LCD readout calculates weights for both platforms at the same time. Tare, weigh all ingredients into one container by using the tare feature to zero out weights in between additions. Also works to zero the weight of any container before adding food. Battery, powered by 3 AAA batteries, included. Scale can be powered off or will auto shut off after 3 minutes of no change in weight on the platform. Easy to clean, hand wash only, do not immerse in water or put in dishwasher. For best results, wipe with a damp cloth and dry thoroughly. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Nicewell Food Scale. This precise scale offers G, kg, lb, oz, fl.oz, and ml measurement outputs and a sleek stainless steel, anti-fingerprint surface for a chic addition to any kitchen setup. The digital food scale built-in 4 high-precision load sensors, quickly and accurately respond 0.1 Oz/1 G increments when adding ingredients. Its measuring range, 0.1 ounces to 22 pounds, 2 gram by 3 gram to 10 kilograms. 9 into 6.3 inches platform and large LCD display for easy readout in gram, kg, lb, oz, fl.oz, and milliliter. This digital weight scale is for better cooking, baking, tracking intake, weight loss, and postage. The food scale is designed with tempered glass for strong bearing, sleek stainless steel top surface for anti-fingerprint and easy clean, with an attached hook for convenient storage. Convenient tare button for tare calculation allows you to subtract the weight of plate or container, making it easy to achieve accurate readings of ingredients. 2 AAA batteries included. You may receive a food scale with Nicewell logo or non-logo one, which will not affect the function of the scale. Both are from Nicewell. For any issues, please reach to us. We stand behind our kitchen scales. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Escalade Digital Food Scale. A simple food scale is a great way to try out measuring this way before you invest in something a little more high-tech. Features: capable of weighing liquid and dry ingredients up to an astounding extra high capacity of 15 pounds, 7,000 grams, with an accuracy of 0.1 ounces, 1 gram. Crisp and clear display is 50% larger than most kitchen scales and sits between touch-sensitive controls to create a single, smooth glass surface that is easy to keep clean. Measures both liquid, fl.oz, ml, and dry ingredients, g, oz, lb plus oz, and features a display hold to hold the weight measurements on screen when weighing large items even after they are removed from the scale. Tare feature resets the scale to 0 weight to measure multiple items or subtract the weight of a container, and the automatic shut-off feature turns the scale off after 5 minutes of inactivity to help conserve and extend battery life. Luxurious metallic colors inspired by the natural beauty of America's desert Southwest elevate your space. Includes 2 CR2032 batteries. Scale is 9 into 6.5 into 0.75 inches. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.